Ilang months na, ibang presidente na naman. Saan ito pupulot? Pangulang ito, happen to be, ako, naiintindihan ko. Kaya, sinabi ko, this madness has to end.
Sino kasama niya, ma'am? Hindi pa sila
ang ano lang kasi is, ang procedure kasi, let me be very frank with you. When you are placed under arrest, you have to submit to the person in authority making the arrest. Then, when you are already arrested and maybe detained, then you have to start the machinery of justice role. We go to the Supreme Court. Pag hindi, ako,
go to the Supreme
dumaan ako sa okay na sa akin. Well, nothing to lose na ako. Nothing to lose. Absolutely nothing. Hindi ba rin ako sabihin mo kulong ng habang buhay? Wala ako. Inciting to sedition.
Inciting to sedition. Inciting to sedition. Kaya
Against humanity, ICC.
Kalimutan niya ulit.
We are not signatory to the ICC.
That's what they're doing now.
Hindi ako. Yan ako hindi papayag. I am a Filipino. You are all Filipino citizens. Ako, pag nagkasala, you prosecute me in Philippine courts with the Filipino judge, the Filipino prosecutor, and magpakulong ako dito sa bayan ko. Kung sakali.
They're preparing you to bring you to The Hague.
I am sure. I am very sure. I'm a lawyer. Abogado ka man. I am sure the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Baski na hindi tayo maghingi na, the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Tignan mo. Hindi pa bayad ang
Let's talk about it. Let's make it clear. Right now, what is clear?
What is clear is we need to do the booking process here.
He's asking that he needs to go to the hospital. You can do that there. Is that too much?
Yes, sir, that's too much.
Oh, is that too much?
18 years old siya. 18 years old siya. Walang kaso. 18 years old siya.
Ilang sa Filipino ang nahuli kayong araw na to? Ilang
Anong kaso? Kaya nga, anong kaso? Gawa lang yung kaso.
Kung kayo lang, sir, ilang Filipino ang binukay, ilang presidente na namumuk. So that means that you are banking on the inequality of the law because of the